Having trouble logging into iCloud on Windows 10 11s? If you're facing a connection error, let's explore the possible causes and how to fix it. Part 1. Why do I get iCloud connection error on Windows 10 11? Account issues. Apple ID sync failure. Weak internet. Disrupts sync. Outdated iCloud. May not work. Firewall antivirus blocks iCloud. Windows outdated. Causes conflicts. Corrupt data. Prevents sync. Full storage. Stops sync. Part 2. How to fix the iCloud connection error on PC. Fix 1. Check your iCloud account. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. Fix 3. Check your iCloud storage. Fix 4. Update to the latest version of iCloud. Fix 5. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Fix 6. Update your Windows. Part 3. Backup and restore iPhone or iPad data with best iCloud alternative. iTunes backs up iOS, but lacks selective backup and readable files. backk Assistant for iOS is easier, allowing preview, selection, and readable backups. Step 1. Download and install Assistant for iOS on your computer. Launch it and connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions to make the device recognizable by the software. Step 2. Browse iOS data by category. Select Files to preview. Step 3. Choose Files, click Export, select Format, and save to PC. How to back up iPhone data to a computer completely in one click. Head to the program's Super Toolkit when it recognizes your device. Go for iTunes Backup and Restore Backup. Choose a backup location on this computer and OK to initiate the backup.